I identify as a gay male. I guess my family always knew, but I never come out because I was never in. I'm Miguel. I've been at Sephora for almost 3 years. I started my journey as a seasonal cashier and I was promoted to a sales and service coordinator. When they hired me, I was of course really happy because I was from being a customer to being behind the register. Sephora means to me the place where I find and I have found the family I don't have. I was born in Venezuela. The decision to come here wasn't easy since I don't have any family or friends here. I left my country 4 years ago in 2017 because of the humanitarian and political crisis. So when I got here, I asked for political asylum. In a Latin American country, this macho mentality is like men don't wear makeup and you have to dress masculine. I've never seen someone like me growing up till I saw a drag queen on TV and my mom was like, "Boo, what is this?" Being the flamboyant guy I am, watching a drag queen putting on makeup on TV was really it made me really happy knowing that I can do that as well and not being judged for it and actually being celebrated for. I'm proud of being Latino because we are so diverse and we're a really rich culture. Some people think that beauty is being flawless when beauty is the flaws you have that makes you different to others. I love myself as I am with or without makeup.